Good morning, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and I woke up early and I'm dropping, hey Blake, beso, Blake, I'm dropping Blake to the pet sitting. I'm going to camping. I'm gonna record, the view is spectacular. I was waiting for 1 year for that spot. That's in Fort de Soto, Florida. It's a camping area in a Gulf view. It's beautiful. I'm gonna record something, okay? Take care. Sometimes we work, and sometimes we need to relax a little bit. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Stay tuned, okay? Besos. Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. And I was telling Carlos that always when I see something like that, we are in St. Pete, Florida. I say, Carlos, this is the life that we deserve. And he said, think in the present. This is the life that we are getting right now. And it's true. I always think in the future, and I have to enjoy sometimes the present. Today is Friday, September 25th, 2020. And I'm heading to the compound that is in St. Pete, Fort de Soto. We are gonna camp over there and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. We have been working a lot and we deserve some time off to rest and enjoy the beach and enjoy everything. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I'm gonna record the view, beautiful view. Thank you, bye. This is the entry of Fort de Soto in St. Pete. And we are gonna enter to the compound. I'm gonna show you the side. It's beautiful. I don't know if I told you that I was waiting for that spot for 1 year. A year ago, I came with Jim, and I was sitting in that spot. And I said, one of these days I want to rent this site. And finally, I got it. It's Friday, and I'm really grateful and happy because I tell one of my clients the truth. You know what? There is any way they rent canoas or kayaks.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
There is any way that we can, instead of Friday, can I go Thursday morning? Because we are gonna go to camping and I reserved that spot so many months in advance. Oh no problem, good. So wonderful. So this is the compound. This is the entry. Let's see.
Your destination is on the right.
Do you want to rent a canoa?
Yes, I want to rent a canoa. This is where you rent the bikes.
But
Firma y baja la luna. And the side is 203, right?
Which?
203.
Sí.
This is the bathroom, one of the bathrooms.
It's so beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's so beautiful. And this, the side that is on the right, you just see one spot with water. But the side that we choose has both sizes. I love it. I'm really happy. I feel like renewing myself, taking out some stress, and I'm happy and I'm grateful that we have been working really hard and we have a day off where we can enjoy the beach. 2-0. It's right here. Where? ¿Dónde está? ¿Qué número es este?
I don't.
Por acá. Fíjate. 201.
Este es 201.
Este es, right? 203. Love it. This is life. This is so open. Did you see? Record that. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm happy.
Touch your phone.
Mira. This is a spectacular view. Those canoas they rented. I'm gonna rent 2 at least. Mira. We have to camp right here. And this is life. This is the life that we are enjoying right now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And everything that you want to do is possible. Just persist.
Really, it's life.
Yeah, yeah, we are so happy. Really happy. This is beautiful. We don't have an RV yet. One day I'm gonna have my RV and I'm gonna record that because one of my dreams is to have a motor home or RV. But for now, this is the first time. Carlos is trying to figure it out how to do the tent. Some people already here. Beautiful view. I'm gonna try to rent the canoe. Water.
Bárbaro, chico.
Fuerte, Carlitos.
Ahí está Carlitos. La última copa.
Tenemos que...
¿Dónde?
Yo lo que quería era ver los dolphins, los manatees, pero para eso hay que irse en el jodido kayak y yo no voy para allá.
No, en el barco hoy día.
Bueno, mejor en el barco hoy.
Muy buen stick. No se ve.
Sí se ve, ¿eh?
Y la hamburguesa para Carlitos. Para Raquel. Y para Rosy. Un gran steak. This is life.